What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is another vlog. It's actually moving to uni. You know, it's that time of year we all go back to die. No, but I'm excited to go back to uni. Got a lot of stuff to be planning for the year. Got a lot of stuff I need to do for the year. And I really need to get great grades because we count now. Do you know what I mean? We count. So we are setting off on our 2.5 hour excursion back to uni. I'm serving you homeless realness right now. I'm just trying to be comfortable, y'all. But yeah, so got a lot of bags again. This is the luggage situation. Again, I said I wouldn't do this, but here we are again. So yeah, let's go.
Many hours later.
Hi guys, so it's been ages and I know I was meant to update you, but it's later in the evening. Currently I'm standing in my room. I'm looking really crusty, so don't look at me, but I have so much stuff to pack away, so I'll show you guys the damage and what I've got to sort out right now. But yeah, it's a lot, so I'm gonna work on that, but I'll just spin you guys around and you'll see. So yeah, this is the mountain that I need to sort out. Like, obviously I sorted out my bed and stuff, but I have to pack away all these clothes, put them in that cupboard. I've got like some shoe box and stuff which I'm going to keep the shoes in, and I've got like a storage unit over there that I'm just going to put some of like more like my makeup and like art stuff and whatnot and stuff. I don't really like my things just being kind of just like out. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just going to pack everything away and then just chill. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to set you guys up so you can kind of see a little bit of what I'm doing. And yeah, we'll just get on with it because I've got a lot to do and not that much time. So I'm just going to turn on this light, add some brightness to the room, y'all. Set y'all up and we'll get going. So let's go.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
Hell yeah. Hey, DJ, bring that back.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
Hell yeah, hey DJ, bring that back.
How you ain't gon' fuck? Bitch, I'm me. I'm the goddamn reason you in VIP. CEO, you don't have to CID. I'm young, wild, and strapped like Chi Ali. Blah! We ain't got nothing to worry about. Whoop ass, let security carry 'em out. Watch out for the medallion, my diamonds are reckless. Feels like a midget is hanging from my necklace. I pulled up with a million trucks, looking, smelling, feeling like $1 million. Pass the bottles, the heat is on. We in the huddle, all smoking that Cheech and Chong. What's wrong? The club and the moon is full, and I'm looking for a thick young lady to pull. One short shot, way to get 'em out of them pants. Take note to the brand new dance, like when I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
Hell yeah, hey DJ, bring that back.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
Hell yeah, hey DJ, bring that back.
Stand up. 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 Go on with your big ass. Let me see something.
Hi guys, so it's a lot later now and I've, as you can see from the background, finished packing up everything where it needs to be pretty much. So I'm pretty much set up. My clothes are now all in my wardrobe, but yeah, tomorrow I'll give you guys like an overview of what my room looks like, kind of like a mini tour. But yeah, I got everything in the wardrobe, everything's packed away pretty much, and I'm pretty much ready to go. All I need is just like a few stationery bits before uni starts, but yeah, I'm pretty much all moved in. So tomorrow I will show you guys like a tour overview of what the room looks like, and like it's not fully finished but it's alright for now, do you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm really happy with how everything is all like sorted out so far. I'm really crusty. I'm about to go to bed. It is, what time is it? It is 1:45, so I'm gonna go to bed now because I've got an early start tomorrow. So bye. Hi guys, so it is the next morning and I've pretty much finished sorting out my whole room as I said last night. So I've just got a few last bits and bobs to just kind of like put away and kind of like organise, but I think I'll do that more so as I go along. But I just realised this is a really nice setup. Like, this is a really nice setup and the lighting is amazing. So this might be the new setup for me doing videos, and it doesn't require me to have a tripod, so 2 thumbs up for that. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly finish up sorting up, like just sort out my bed the way I want to lay it out, put some smaller bits and bobs away, and then I'll give you guys a little tour of my uni room for 2nd year. Oh, do you want to see an outfit of the day? Do you guys want to see an outfit of the day? Like, I'm not really dressed anything special, but I guess I can show you. I'm wearing this brown polo, well not polo neck, just high neck top. It's really quite old. I think I bought it from like a charity shop ages ago, but it's been perfect. I think it's originally from Marks and Spencer's. So it's just like this ribbed material, brownish purpley turtle high neck thing. And I'm wearing this belt. This is from Primark. And then I'm wearing these corduroy, like camel coloured, orangey, brownish, taupey coloured culottes. They cut off, you know, right there at my ankle. They're wide leg. Yeah, they're wide leg fit. They're actually massive, so I like have to like bunch them up at the back with my belt, but they're comfy. So yeah, that was my OOTD for being at home. Okay, so this is the bed. I did like a whole kind of grey, pink and gold theme, you know? That was my theme last year and I wasn't gonna buy new things, so the theme will remain. Thank you. So here is my bed. It is a 3/4 size bed with brown and black. Doesn't really go with the theme, but it's the bed I have now, so can't do nothing. Okay, and then next to my bed, just got this like little cabinety thing, and I've got my jewelry box there with the matching thingy there, and it has this cute picture. Oh my god, you guys can't see that. It has this cute picture of me and my friends. It's got my phone there, there's a charging port behind there. From my bed, you see. From my bed, you see the wardrobe with a nice full length mirror, which I love. So yeah, my bed, and then you've got my fluffy rug, which is also great, which I love. I do love the fact that this room is all white and like whitewash and grey, you know. So we come to the wardrobe, and there you see me, and this wardrobe is kind of a bit grimy right now because I was moving stuff, but I'll wipe it down in a sec, so forget that. So you open the wardrobe and it's got, you know, up there space, down there space, and down there space. And then you open it here, same thing again, and then you open it here. So this is the wardrobe. So I'll give you a run through of how my things are laid out in the wardrobe. Over there we have more formal dresses, going out stuff. Here we have bottoms. They're all kind of hanged up on these pink hangers, and the ones I didn't have enough pink hangers for, I kind of just draped over a hanger. I've got shirty things and tops, jumpers, and then all my coats. So yeah, those are all there. Then at the bottom I have all my shoes. In those shoe boxes are shoes. I like to keep my nice shoes in shoe boxes, and the ones that don't have shoe boxes, well, they're kind of just on the floor. Okie dokie. Now if I can just, yep, brighten you up. Perfect. So there are all my shoes. I have my onesie right there because I don't want it to bulky up there, so it's down there. I have my heels here, here, and there are some more in here. So I've got some sandals over there, some blue heels there. Ooh, these amazing mermaid blue heels that I just got from TK Maxx. They are from Guess. They are fantabulous. Let me actually show you guys these up close. Like, bam! Have you ever seen such a glamorous shoe in your life? You had not. Ooh, I can't wait to wear those. Got some boots back there, some other heels, my brogues, boots, and then my trainers are kind of just all shoved all the way in there. But I can't find any more place for them. Then I have this like hook thing, gold. It's meant to be on like the back of a bathroom door, but my bathroom door is like flush to the wall and like the door frame, so there's no place to put them, so I hang them there. So I've got my jumper hanging right there. Up there I have some more bottoms. This middle bit here is gym stuff, pajamas, t-shirts and smaller tops are in there. And then I have my bags here. So I've got like my like crossbody bags, little handbags, crossbody bags, bigger bags. Yeah, I showed you coats, and I love this wardrobe. It's just, hey guys, ignore the fit. Like, I'm just dressed at home. Like, I'm just at home. I'm doing at home casual looks, you know. So I do love this mirror, which means I didn't have to buy a mirror or bring a mirror. And I love the wardrobe, the size. So then over here, you come over here and I have my little makeup station. It's just a little plastic cubby with drawers, and my makeup's in the top one. And it's got this thing for perfume up there, but my other perfumes I left at home, so good job, Jordan. But it's gonna have perfumes in there. I need to actually go top up on one of my favorite ones. I've got a voucher for Harvey Nichols, which I will use to buy my new perfume. Thanks, flatmates. Can't wait to use the voucher. So, bit of a close-up overview. I have a lot of these gold baskets in my room. You'll see them more as we go around. Got them all from Primark. They were like £2. I have the big ones and the small ones. I have my amazing gold flask water bottle. Keeps everything cold for 24 hours and it's amazing. Yeah, so in the first drawer, what do we have here? We have my makeup. Not very much organized, but at the same time I had to reduce the makeup I had because I'm limited to space at uni. So I've managed to narrow down all my makeup to this drawer. So if I just focus you, you can see I've got my makeup palettes back there, some smaller kabuki brushes that I don't want to get lost, my beauty blender which is dirty and needs a wash, my Fenty highlighters are right there, my NYX blush which I use in eyeshadow which is amazing is right there. Ooh, and this amazing highlighter. It is like a unicorn highlighter. It's gorgeous. I have an Illamasqua highlighter just there. I have eyelashes down here, lip products on this side, face products and powders in there on that back side. And then on the next drawer is my nail station. So I'm a big like nail girl. So I have my polishes all there. And then I have like my gel polishes there, my gel kits, nail clippers. My false nails are actually in that little cubby bag thing, and some like cotton pads and stuff. Then the next drawer down is a very miscellaneous. I hate the word miscellaneous. Why? Because it just means I don't know where to put them. So I have my vitamins, my what's this, derma roller? Micro needle thingy. It's a roller with needles, okay? It's meant to be good for your skin or whatever. I've got my UV lamp here, my belts, some of hair things I think, like hair bubbles and whatnot in there. My other vitamins in there, some Lemsip tablets because I always get a damn cold. So those are there. And then the bottom one is like underwear and stuff, which you do not need to see. And there is my laundry bag, because I have no other place to put it. It used to be in my wardrobe, but now I fill my wardrobe with shoes and clothes, so she cannot be there. So we just left her right there. And then you come over here to my desk. So this is my desk currently. I have my laptop stationary again with those gold cubbies. The gold cubbies, and I had to get matching gold stationery because I'm bougie like that. I got some books, folder, my sketchbook, which I'll show you guys in a second actually. I don't think you guys have ever seen it, but I draw. If you didn't know, now you know. I have my diaries, some reading books, what are these called things? Cash books for that we'll be using for writing down all of our dance money transactions, because money, my laptop, camera bag is right there. Underneath is a bit of a mess currently. This is just some dance stuff which I need to find a place to put them, because I cannot just leave them under my desk because my chair can't roll over. I have this marble little bin. Under there I have some more cubbies, which is just like old books and electronics are all in there. And then you come right back around, and then by my window I've just put my, oh girl, you was way too bright, sis. Okay, and then you come over to my window and you see my makeup brushes. Yeah, so my makeup brushes are here. I wanted to put them on top of the other cubby, but I just put them here because I can't really be bothered. And it just seemed a bit too cluttered over there, so I kept them on the windowsill. Got some sunglasses there. Again, these two cubbies, I kind of just put them on the windowsill in case I need to put anything in them. And then you come over to this other window and I have my little speaker, which doesn't really work because the cable is broken, but whatever. And then I have this, it's a light up mirror. It's so cute. How do I turn it on? Okay, look. How bougie is that? That's so cute. So let me just turn her off because we don't want to be running down her batteries. But yeah, and then my like curtains are like also this grayish. It's actually looking kind of brown on this camera. But they are in fact grey. Yes, they are in fact grey, not purple or brown. They are grey. So yes, this is an overview of my room. This is my room for the next year. I'm excited because I love it. I love it, love it. Oh, and that's my little like ring light lamp thing, which is a USB up there. But yeah. Oh, and then in here's my bathroom. I'll just give you guys a quick overview for that. It's just a bathroom. Boom. Oh god. ISO be doing my head in, bro. So yeah, this is my bathroom. Shower, sink, a little cubby over there with products, you know, dressing gown, toilet, mat. That's pretty much it for the overview of the bathroom. But yes, this is the room. This is where I will be for the next year. This is where I will be, and I love it. That's just my rucksack. I don't really know where else to put her, so she's just there. So I can grab her quickly when I need to go. But yes, this is the room. This is my room. I haven't really got stuff hung up. Oh, but I have some like fairy lights that go around these windows, but you can't see it because it's very bright and it's daytime. So, but yes, they do look very nice at night. And this is the room. This is my room for second year. Excited. I like it very much. I like it being very clean and just like, you know, simple. I love the wardrobes. I love how organized my clothes are for right now. Don't know if they will remain like that, but I do love it so far. But I can't buy any more clothes for the next year because, girl, we ain't got no more spaces. There ain't no more space, sis. But yes, this is my room tour. Who knows, it will still look like this suit later on, but this is what it looks like now, so I'm very happy with it. So yes, I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you soon.